If you want to use dictation or enable voice to text on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then first of all we need to open our keyboard. I'm going to use the Messages app in this example, and once you show the keyboard, what you can do is you can tap on the microphone in the bottom right corner. If you do this for the first time, you might need to enable dictation, so let's do this. And also you can decide to improve Siri and dictation by allowing Apple to store and review audio. But we can just choose not now. And now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text. There we go. Once you are done, you can tap on the microphone again in order to make the iPhone stop listening. And that's pretty much it. In case the microphone is not here, what you can do is you can go to Settings, then choose General, and over here open Keyboard. Now in here we can scroll down to find the dictation, which can be easily toggled by tapping on this switcher. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.